Our gathering today causes us to look at three things that are important in any journey. Because in every journey there are times when we are tired, that we need to rest, we need to reflect, we need to ponder. But the first thing we look at is the past. What is the past for us? For the brothers, their past is looking at the spirit that founded, that initiated the spirit to found the organization called the Maoist. So it's important for the brothers to reflect upon their calling, their founder, the spirit of evangelization. For you, the old pupils of Maoist, the pupil or the student of Maoist. So these are important models, these are important reflections. Because at this time that we come together to celebrate the 100 years, and not just for the Maoist, and for the old pupils of Hungary as well. These are times of celebrations where we come together to reflect. It really is a reflection of God. Because this opening Mass is an important occasion where we come to worship God and to give Him thanksgiving for the love and guidance given to us throughout the 100 years. Because the Maoist peoples have contributed much to society, to the government, to the medical professions, to the judicial, and just plain assistance to our lives daily. Look into the past, because if they are the Masa de Faro, or enough, Tampana, the soul, Tampana, Tana. Or the Malaka Paya, or the Malaka Sa, offended Tatu to Malaka Yan. Tatu Pana, Tuna, the Tanya ask yourself, who are you? What is your purpose in life? What is the meaning of this journey? Officialita awali tangu time mana tunatumia so ebowa isi fasi na manusura watu wala ikuma tatu folama nono wenga mutatu utangata mbele tatu wasoko mbele tatu titawa vya ya lofa lea wa lofa bayani kutuwa tangata ya ala yunafama mungu mai ono lefie mafuta nyantu kwa tangata mungu neama tayo dia bisa sampai dia yang live define nama five bisa five old time five strong is that we always study apa pun tak pun tak ada sahih demo sahih ini awal ada terbawa dalam kita terbawa dalam oinai mafan fanai ya waida oleh kita banyak tahu itu sih tahu yang jadi besok ini maftaba tak betul faham nanti ini sedang bersama betul waida tu faham ini maftaba iya tambah cuma faham nanti faham ayat yang cipo taisa dari sore ada menjadi tak bantu sahabat tidak undangan filem oleh sore ina mona ini fakta yang tua yang ada musuh-musuh ini filem tuo na tuai ada Fatino dan Fokus yang ada Fayal and Fana. An opportunity to thank the brothers for the wonderful dedication of your religious life to teach, to share your knowledge with the Samoans. An opportunity to thank your parents despite the difficulties of ingalweka taushakili sisele ya wamba ave utota to ya after ya la suma nisi mambo na tufu ya nami efeso so amba au mambo of reflecting upon the past. I have become a forward to God. Made at different times in the family of God. They got about you. Our way to take life. It's just typical of the world we live in, filled with temptations, filled with difficulties in life. Such is life in this world, a world that is loaded with sin. Mafuaman utatu mfapeli mfanyafuai ili utatu fulau. Pertanyaan polisi baik adalah sesi. Pertanyaan itu tu yang cuy. Tu evaluasi fakultas tu oleh anak tahu orang orang yang film. Alingat leo matua yang terlihat orang tatu. Ulasa orang menjadi orang. Karena ada yang orang yang elegant leo tatu terbaik mana cuma itu mampu wali film festival. Natu dalam terlihat yang orang fana. Ada sebuah batu film natu film. Mereka waktu mengalami fanya sisi untuk lalu yang favorit pada jumlah berbagai firman yang mencapai tentang firman far out or out. We are going to see my effect on the soul. The double name, the fear of my soul, the body of the Lasa. You tatu lota, the tamu Yesu dai ufa sotana, very far usiku Lasa. I will there. Fetabai Yesu oyo tutu na tutoe fatu tukatendea mtemi ya pole kwa ndani. Lolo utatu tebata uso kemisi utatu tebata la ina na tawo tutu because we believe in the resurrection, because Jesus is the resurrection. Jesus is the resurrection. Afinawa ya fatu tebata tumo lolo wibara utatu tebole o Yesu o ia ne fama e tatu tatu fala ya lolo o ia foi ya tatu jama tala au fuwa ya mwana na leo katima Yesu fahamu isili kituo ya pasi sila mtawa ya mwana fafutai kutoka mlango utilao na watu wa salama ya fesi salama kile mwani na fesi ya wale ya mwanamisi ya Saint Joseph ya ile opanga ya mwani na kama Yesu katika the safi ya Yesu leo maisha ya kulisi ya balakla na ukiamba Yesu ya alfaya ya mashoyo tatu kama le kopo pila bravo fapa bang tatu nana tatu sifi figero akili moses kwa ya fapa futani ile Yesus on porte de sua famille